Data is a very complex ecosystem organization have. Data is all over the place. It's in silos. It's untrusted. It's ungoverned. It's inaccessible. It's a variety of issues exist with the data. And that is why the people are creating data warehouses, data lakes. There are a variety of solutions which is trying to solve this data silo problem. And nothing seems to be working because in the application layer, where the raw data is available, we do not treat the data correctly. And because of that, the downstream systems are in place wherever it is, whether it goes to the lake, warehouse, they all do not get treated properly. And that's the mostly the challenges of the data is today. And then unstructured data, there is a video streaming data, the variety of the data exists. And how do organizations manage, govern is a complex problem which required a real good solution to manage this data. One of the solution is managing data as a product. What do you mean by managing as a product? Means that the raw data which is available in source applications, etc., are not consumable by end users. So making it consumable by end user for a specific use cases or a variety of use cases and ensuring the data can fulfill those use cases, that creates the data product. So managing the data as a product is a new discipline. That basically is the solution. How do we manage that? You are ensuring that it's discoverable easily, it's clearly defined, it's addressable. Quality is the number one aspect of it. The quality of the data is high quality. People can trust this data because it maintains the proper catalog, it maintains the consistent terminology, it doesn't have any quality debt, it maintains the pipeline properly, contracts are in place about the data, it's always fulfilled. So managing the data as a product and the team who's managing it is governing, securing, and ensuring the quality is good. That's what the data as a product, data products are. So the real data product can be, for example, there is a customer 360 report or API or a table where the customer 360 data is available. That can be a data product. A customer master information can be a data product. A specific KPI, which goes about your standard operating metrics, those can be a data product. Data products can be a physical form, it can be a table, it can be a file, it can be a API, but in the governance layer, it is very easily discoverable, it's easily findable, the quality is very good. You have to make sure that there is a proper monitoring is in place, there is a lineage is in place. Every part of that from the operational perspective is there, then it's considered as a data product. A raw database dump is not a data product. A one-off report of analytics is not a data product. You are asking a question from a cloud and then getting an answer. That is not a data product. A shared spreadsheet is not a data product. An undocumented pipeline is not a data product. These are one-off systems. Even sometimes a shared report, which is shared across the organization, may not be a data product because it doesn't follow the data product principles. And that is why it is important. First, you lay out the principles of the data product. How do you manage it? How do you govern it? What is the quality standards? When everything is defined by a centralized governance team and we follow those standards, then something can be qualified as a data product. So when organizations are managing data as in product, we see that there is a 3 times faster time to insights because business users can easily find the data, they can get more insights from it. Around 60% of the reduction in the data incidents, like PII data is not available or leaked with the data products because it ensures the governance first approach of it. It includes the cross-team data reuse. So one team is using the same data product and multiple teams use the same data product. It obviously allows you to monetize your data and you can get a very high ROI on this data investments because it's used by multiple teams and that's what makes it a good ROI on the data. So data product lifecycle look like this. First, you define what use cases, who is the owner, what are the SLAs of the data product going to look like. You want to make it discoverable so that people can easily find the data assets and they can find these data products. You have to build the data product, obviously. So you have to transform the data from raw data to end data product. So that is, you have to build it. Then you have to publish your data product into a data marketplace so that it's available for the entire data ecosystem, and then everybody can find it. Your consumer can consume the data, and you have to keep monitoring those data product all the time so that you are tracking its usage, its performance, every aspect of it. And then you have a continuous feedback loop mechanism to improve the quality of the data over the period of time. The data is fully managed and controlled through this data product lifecycle. OvalEdge is very uniquely positioned to build and maintain, as well as let it discoverable with the data products. OvalEdge is end-to-end platform. So the first part of the data product is build the new data products. So we have an application called AskEdge where you can build your data products. Again, not all kind of data products, not the data warehouse, but you can build a end-to-end flows into that. You can build a pipeline, and you can build the data product from the raw data to the data product. But the real benefit of OvalEdge is to ensure that all your policies around quality, matrices, all the lineage, business glossary, everything is maintained in the data product. So that is all available within the same platform, that all the data product is fully governed and controlled through OvalEdge platform. And then the third advantage of that is that we have a data product marketplace where you can register your data products and make it available for your end users. Now, end users can request access of the data product, and they can get fulfillment from it, from whichever the source systems are. So the data marketplace allow you to not only discover it, but understand the quality, access, every aspect of it, as well as get the data access and get it fulfillment, and then further also use it for their own analytics need through AI need, etc. So end-to-end data lifecycle of the data product is available in OvalEdge platform, and that's what the real benefit of OvalEdge platform is. Data product journey need to be established by establishing a data maturity assessment to understand where we are as an organization, or is it a right choice to managing data as a product for your organization. Generally, a data product is a very good concept for a larger Fortune 500 kind of organization. For a very small organization, managing data as a product may not suit well. For them, there may be the data as an asset may be the right choice, because there have to be multiple parties need to consume the data in order to manage the data as a product. So start with the maturity assessment, then find the high impact data products which you think that you should build so that multiple people can find it and use it. So those are the key critical area for your program to be successful. And then obviously run a pilot program with single domain, whether it's a customer, whether it's a partners or a specific domain, and then scale based on the proven ROI. So you build for customer domain is some data product, maybe a customer data, which is available across the organization, and then keep building more and more data products. Data products generally maintained by a different domain. So you need to have in one domain, the CRM group or customer group is creating the data from CRM area and creating a data product. On the other side, the product group can create another data product, or say products. Groups need to create the data products, but there should be one centralized federated governance ecosystem which govern the entire data ecosystem, which ensure that data product which is available in the data product marketplace across the data ecosystem are managing all the quality expectations set by the governance committee. Data alone is not enough. You need its context, governance, and trust. And that is why the number one important in the AI post ecosystem, the business context is also equally important for that. So data products turn raw data into usable, scalable assets, which you can kind of continuously keep using this all the time. And the right platform makes this repeatable and efficient process much more easier for you to maintain. That's why you need a platform or a tool which can manage and control the data easily for you.